How to download first Descendant game on PC. In this video, I will show you how can you easily download the first Descendant application on your PC. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to set up a menu installer. So once you go to the official website of First Descendant, while downloading the application, firstly you need to download a menu installer and then set it up in your device. After that, when you click on menu, once it is downloaded, you need to open Google Play. Once the Google Play opens, you need to search for First Descendant and then you need to download it. After the setting up of the application is finished, simply click on its icon to start the game. So that's it. That is how easily you can download First Descendant game application on your laptop or PC. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.